శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Dharmaraju was crying and worrying because he could not see Dhritarashtra and Gandhari over there. He started sharing his grief with Sanjaya, saying that, O Sanjaya, when my father Panduraju, Pityuparate Pandav, my father died, at that time my Dhritarashtra and my Viduradeva, both of them have taken care of all of my brothers and myself. They are the one who raised us. O Sanjaya, I don't know where now my elderly father Dhritarashtra and elderly mother Gandhari has gone. Like that, when Dharmaja was worrying, Sanjaya also going through the same amount of grief, but he recovered Vimrujya Panibhyam Asruni while wiping off his tears. Sanjaya responding to Dharmaja saying that, O Dharmaja, Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, they did not even told me that they are going to be gone like this. Naham Veda. They cheated me. Mushitosmi. Like that, Sanjaya also sharing his grief to Dharmaja. While Sanjaya and Dharmaja talking to each other, there comes Adha Ajagama Bhagavan Naradaha Saha Tumburuhu. There comes Narada Maharshi along with Tumbura. The moment when Narada and Tumbura came over there, Dharmaja and all of his brothers immediately got up and did namaskaram to Narada Maharshi, gave a warm welcome to Narada and Tumbura. Then Dharmaja is asking Narada Maharshi, O Narada Maharshi, Naham Veda Gatih Pitroho. I do not see my elderly father Dhritarashtra and mother Gandhari. I don't know where they have gone. O Maharshi, whenever whoever is in very much grief, they will be guided by great people like you. You know everything. I am very much fortunate to have you darshanam here. O Maharshi, can you please tell me whereabouts of my Gandhari Devi and Dhritarashtra Maharaju? When Dharmaja asked Narada Maharshi like that, Narada Maharshi saying that, O Dharmaja, ma kanchana sucho. On this earth, nobody needed to worry about anyone, because this entire Srishti, Ishvaravasam Jagat, this entire world, entire creation is under the control of, under the guidance of Sakshat Paramatma. All that everyone supposed to be doing is, even including Lokapalakas, the great divine entities, everyone, they have to be doing their works, their duties, their responsibilities as a service of Paramatma. All that anyone can do is, that's all it is. Everybody has to do their routine as service of Paramatma. Dharmaja, Paramatma only brought all of us together, some unakti, they put us together. Paramatma only divides all of us separately. We unakti, he is the one who does it. He is the one who brings people, who brings all the entities together, and then he is the one who separates all of them. Entire Srishti is under the control of Sakshat Paramatma. Narada Maharshi giving these teachings to Dharmaja. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.